Hey guys, welcome back. This is Paul and welcome to another Taylor Swift unboxing. And today we are going to unbox Taylor Swift Red Taylor's Version. I have been wanting this album for a while now and I got it for Christmas and I am so happy. So here she is. And it says it's the red. I don't know if you can see that. The red vinyl. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, I literally love this album so much. It's so good as well. It really is so good. So it's another one of those albums where it's 4 vinyl disc, like the Tortured Poets Department that I unboxed a while ago. Actually, it wasn't that too long ago. But yeah. Here she is. Okay. So here is the front. And here is the back. Red Taylor's Version. It's a little damaged, but that's okay. Whoa. Look at that. So I'm guessing this is like the All Too Well 10 version that she put. It's a little damaged, but that's okay. I think hopefully the vinyl is not, Okay, so here are the sleeves. Side A has State of Grace, red. Oh, I love how red is the color red. We have Treacherous, I Knew You Were Trouble, and then All Too Well, 22, I Almost Do, and We Are Never Getting Back Together. So let's see, what is it? What is this thing open? Oh, here. Oh my god. Look how pretty! Yes! Oh my god, I'm in love with it. Wow. So pretty. Okay, side C is Stay, 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 The Last Time, Holy Ground, and Sad, Beautiful, Tragic. And then on side D, we have The Lucky One, Everything Has Changed, featuring Ed Sheeran, Starlight, and Begin Again. Oh my god, I hope I said... Oh! I forgot. The Last Time, featuring Gary Lightbody of Snow Patrol. There you go. I forgot to say the features. Oops. And it's just the same red vinyl. Okay, on side E, we have The Moment I Knew, Come Back, Be Here, Girl at Home, and State of Grace acoustic version. And then on side F, we have Ronan, Better Man, Nothing New, from The Vault, featuring Phoebe Bridgers. Oh wait, are these from The Vault? Oh crap. Oh yeah, Better Man is from The Vault. Oh my god, I need to pay attention. Okay, Better Man is from The Vault. Nothing New featuring Phoebe Bridgers from The Vault. And then Babe from The Vault. And it's just the same vinyl red. And then side G, the last one, will be Message in a Bottle from The Vaults, I Bet You Think About Me featuring Chris Stapleton from The Vaults, Forever Winter from The Vaults, and Run featuring Ed Sheeran from The Vaults. And then side H is The Very First Night from The Vaults, and All Too Well, the final 10-minute version from The Vaults. Dang, 30 songs, you guys. 30 songs. Wow. So, yeah. That is going to be Taylor Swift, Red Taylor's version. So here are going to be my top 5 favorite songs from this album, which is, the first one is going to be Red. The second one is, We Are Never Getting Back Together. The third one is going to be Stay, Stay, Stay. The fourth one is Girl at Home. And the fifth is Message in a Bottle. Ta-da! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and push that notification so you never miss a video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!